Hello, Capstone friends, and welcome to Module 2. Like every module, you'll go to the Module 2 page on the course website. And in this module, you have a choice based upon how experienced you are with web design. So option A or option B. Option A is for people who don't have a website already, or for people who have decided they want to have a new website for this class. So either whether you're new and don't have a site or you want to have a new site, that's option A. Option B is for some people who already have a website and they want to use this course to add to it. So you don't want to make a separate site because having more than one site is a lot of work. You just want to add to an existing site. So choose the right path for you, A or B. So option A, if you're making a new site, we want you to do this by trying two different platforms. So the most common thing that students have done is usually end up in Weebly or Wix, but there are other possibilities like WordPress or Google Sites or some other place that you find. We want you to try two things, just so you have something to compare to. So try to make a web page in Weebly and then try to make a web page in Wix or any two platforms, your choice. But try two. Just try to make two home pages, just real quick, mocked up web pages. They don't have to be complete, but the goal is to see if you can use the technology to make a web page. All right. Option B, you already have a website. The goal is to take the website and make it better so that it can be used for this class. So we have some options here. You can secure a domain name. You could sort of update the technologies or the template. You could add some social media links. You could redo your layout. You could start thinking about where the pages for this course will go in your existing website. We have 3 essays. These are the modules that are coming up: a transcript, a showcase, a resume. So start thinking about in your existing website where you could put placeholders or navigations or menus for those new pages. So those are the two main options. So if you're option A and you made 2 sites, choose which one you want to kind of go forward with. That's sort of the first decision here. If you already have your website, you know which one you're going forward with. So once you pick sort of the winner that you're going to be using going forward, you want to update the share tracker. And the share tracker, you're going to put a link to sort of the page that you're going to be using going forward. This says update your roster entry. So you go to the share tracker, and there's a number of ways. You already maybe have bookmarked the share tracker, or you can find it under the menu system. I'm going to go under the supporting document share tracker. So you can highlight your name and you go down to insert link, and you can just sort of paste the address of your website. And that'll let people easily see your website when they go to click on your name in the share tracker. Next, we want you to create a video reflection in Flipgrid about just one of your 2 pages. You can choose which one. And then we're going to start our sort of weekly pattern of you're going to reply to other people's Flipgrids. And you can read about what we're looking for here. But the goal almost every week is going to be you're going to post your work. You're going to ask for feedback. You're going to give feedback to 2 people. And when you do that, as always, update the share tracker. We have columns for module 2. You're going to fill them out when you've submitted your work so you know that you've done everything. And last but not least, feedback and assessment. Again, not yet. We will start in module 3. We'll start using that feedback notebook. So for now, there is no feedback or assessment other than the feedback you will get on Flipgrid. So that's it. We look forward to seeing your creations this week as we sort of start our journey into making actual web pages.